Magandang umaga po at welcome back sa Animal Can Talk. Ito na naman po ang ating panauhin na si Blacky Lou. Blacky Lou, ano ang iyong pangalan? Ako po si Blacky Lou, pangalan. Ilan taon ka na, Blacky Lou? 6 ka na? It's not how long we held each other hand. What matters is how long the years together. It's not how many summertime we had a kid to fall. An early morning song we tearfully recall. What matters most is that we love